What's the difference between a cryptocurrency exchange and a digital wallet? Let's break it down. Think of an exchange like the currency counter at an airport. You bring your US dollars and you swap them for pesos, euros, or yen. With a crypto exchange, like Coinbase, Gemini, or crypto.com, you're doing the same thing. You're trading your dollars for Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other cryptocurrency. Now here's the key thing. When your crypto is still on the exchange, you don't technically own it. It's like leaving your pesos sitting at the exchange counter and walking away. The counter controls it, not you. That's where the digital wallet comes in. Your wallet is your personal vault. It can be on your phone, your computer, or even a hardware device like a USB stick. Examples: Atomic Wallet, Exodus, and the built-in wallets from exchanges like Coinbase. When you move your crypto from the exchange into your wallet, now you own it. No company can freeze it, and it's not at risk if the exchange goes down. But remember, if you lose your wallet passwords, there's no reset password button, so keep them safe and offline. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Innovative Economy.